1, 2.
I didn't build my MP3, but I regret that decision. I bought it secondhand. So I'm just pointing out like the maintenance and everything. I know what's happening, but definitely for the part before I build it myself.
Can you check it? You can see the stream. The stream should be live. I check this setup out.
I love it. We are.
Pro starting soon.
Oh, it's that kind of live. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Get behind it and peek at it.
I haven't tried it yet.
I've got this, so we can do.
I haven't. I gotta find it. I'm surprised that you guys are.
Okay, so here's the roster so far. You and Joe, we'll all be right here for the intro. So you and Joe start like, hey, welcome to ERRF 2023. We're here with Booch, Report, 3D Printing Nerd, and we're gonna do a quick, run around. Do you want to talk about anything in the Prusa booth first, or do we want to go do other things first? Because we're gonna end up here for the. And we know we can't do it again. We told people to be here at 4. Okay, so I think if you want to start with Chris's basement, it's your design. You should interview Chris. I would love it if you would talk to photos on the design book. I'll do the droid interview. And we just want to go back through. Do you want to talk chocolate? Do you want to do chocolate with Ellie, or do you want to do chocolate with Ellie?
I've talked to Ellie before already, so let's
Yes.
have you or me.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, Joe, what do you think you would want to do? Nuka-Cola?
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay, good. Then have Joe do Nuka-Cola. Filament librarian? We could do
No, not yet.
Maybe one day.
Okay, you'll do filament librarian. I can do puzzles, and you can do chocolate. Or Joe, do you want Joe to do another one? I don't know how much. I wasn't sure if Joe wanted to do interviewing or not.
If Joe and for example, me can be doing it like everyone will have something to say.
Okay.
What's new? Yeah, actually.
Have you seen this pro setup?
What is that? Oh. Okay. All right, we have the plan. I'm gonna move the droid interview.
Yeah, they're.
It's so good. So he probably won't be back in. I'm gonna put him after the.
Testing. Hello, everyone. We're gonna be starting real soon. Thanks for joining us.
Reporter style.
Can you tell me how's the sound? Is it good? Can you hear me okay? It's really loud in here, but I hope it will be okay.
That's how far you've gone.
Because really here it's incredibly loud, so I hope the sound will be good. Good sound. I can hear you, but it's low. Sound is good. Awesome. Thank you, guys. It's great. I hope I will not scream too much. If I scream too much, tell us and we will keep it low. Joel is next to me. Pooch is next to me. We're getting ready. Joel is doing, I don't know what he's doing. Pooch is here too. Joe is here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing the final Death Racers match of the day outside on the dock right now. If you want to come out for the final Death Racers match of the day, the winner is a Creality K1 Max. So come on out, watch the races, and all battle to the death.
the scissors again? I'm sorry. Ralph will be here at 4. Did you get a ticket? Would you like one as well? Sure.
So let's do it.
Mark 4 is the grand prize, and we got some Prusa mints, we got some hoodies and swag and stuff like that. There you go. You're welcome. Can you record just like as a backup video, just follow us around so that we, in case the feed drops, we can post it later? Do you have enough charge?
You want this?
Yes.
It's like
I wanted to fix this so it doesn't look quite as shitty.
Is it working? Oh yeah.
The 4 of us are going to basically run around to different
Let's do
booths.
it.
So you're just going to have to follow Mickey's main camera and try to stay out of the shot.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Just stay behind wherever that camera is.
Let's go.
You ready? Let's go time.
Oh no, I forgot.
Thank you. Mickey, are these recording? Are we live? Are we live?
So, see how the line on the nose is so
I'm good. I'm glad everybody can hear that.
What happened was it couldn't resolve.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Or the recording to the device?
No. Let's do that. Jesus. That was not us. Everyone heard it.
Everything is normal.
Yeah, the big one here.
Good.
Okay. Give you back camera and let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the sound killed all of us here. There was the speaker system. Okay.
You guys gonna get thrown by that red light?
We just do the introduction and we're gonna roll from there. So we start at Chris's basement where there are 3D printed guitars.
Chris's basement. Fotis. Ellie, chocolate. Jordan.
Which, where do we stand? Is this good?
Yes. You look natural.
Try. Hey everyone,
Hello, everyone.
we are at ERRF 2023 and this is Prusa Podcast Live.
Yes,
I'm Mickey.
I'm Joe.
We also have Pooch behind the camera.
Hello.
Everybody, also a special guest.
We have Joel Telling, 3D printing nerd here.
Roving reporters.
What's up, everybody? How you doing?
I'm doing great. Like,
Oh.
we're gonna go look at all the cool things. What's your favorite thing that you've seen so far?
So far, I haven't been able to visit many booths, but one of the coolest things I saw was over at Lightburn, laser etching chocolate.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I ate it.
Add it to the list. Add it to the list.
Adding it to the list.
I made my 3D printed guitar, and I was hoping that one day I would see someone 3D print it and bring it to an event, and it happened, and I would like to check it out. So do we start at Chris's basement and go check out his
We should
guitar?
always start with Chris's basement.
I agree. The Pooch Cam is go.
Is the MagSafe safe?
Yes.
All right, I'll follow you.
Okay, I'm going.
This is such a nice organized chaos.
Okay. We can also, I see an excellent helmet right here. Hello, mister. Hi, what's your name?
Peter.
You have the most excellent hat I've ever seen.
Thank you. It's Joel. Hey, Joel.
Hey, so wait, I need to ask him a question now. I have to ask, your nozzle is labeled 0.4, but is that 0.4 meter?
I guess probably is actually. It's, maybe around that now. It's a little smaller than that. It's it's probably about actually about 10 millimeters.
Is this the final form of your nozzle helmet?
I don't know. Maybe there'll be a printer up there next year.
One can hope.
If I win the Prusa drawing, maybe.
Hey, good luck then.
Best hat ever. Thank you. It's amazing.
Have a good rest of Earth.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Thanks.
Onward. Would you like a sticker for your
Let's go. We are walking past Hue Forge.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty,
Now we are.
Pretty cool, colorful prints. And in the distance, I can see Chris
Now the Polymaker booth.
looking at his guitars.
Proto Pasta booth. Hi, Alex.
He spotted us. And he knows what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I do.
The Pooch Cam is
Hey.
live. Hi, Chris.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. How are you? This is amazing. I dreamed of the day when I would see your 3D printed guitars in person. It's lovely. We already kind of ripped it together, right?
Sure, yeah. Well, and now mine's customs because now it has the proper signature on the pick guard.
It was an absolute pleasure.
It's official.
I'm gonna give you your own mic.
Okay.
Totally not 3D printed.
Yeah, this isn't 3D printed at all.
We definitely didn't print it last minute at the booth, but
No.
yeah. So why don't you tell me something? I see 3 different designs.
Yeah.
This is close to what I envisioned in my
Sure.
original Prusa caster, but what about, I see you like pushed it to the next level with your own
Sure.
designs.
So, we've already done Prusa Live before. We talked about the original iteration, and then we went to the Explorer, so we did that one June for Murph out in Goshen, Indiana. So we went to that shape. That is actually my favorite guitar shape. So I have a couple of those original ones, but I thought it would make a good design, and it turned out fair.
What did you print this on?
So this is all printed on the Mark III and the XL. The larger parts are printed on the XL. So yeah, it came out pretty good, But you iterate through designs, you can make them a little bit better, right?
I love that I can still see the original kind of part on the back,
Exactly.
and also that you printed a custom stand
right,
for this shape.
Yeah, well, the Explorer, it's not necessarily the easiest shape to put on a stand, so of course you have to make a custom one, And then we take it to ERRF this year. This one was made just for this, the Flying V, so you can't have an Explorer without having a V. And of course you have to make a custom stand for that. But, yeah. And that's Prusa Mint, that's vanilla white, and it's actually a really good match to vintage white is what Gibson uses for those guitars. So, yeah.
How's it feel? How's the action, Mickey?
Getting down.
He's a pro.
He is a pro.
The neck is really nice.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. No, looks really good.
And you even did the amp.
Yep.
You took apart like a normal amp and just made it from 3D print parts.
Yeah, just a regular inexpensive amp, and we put some Prusa Mint panels on it,
But
recreate the box.
I know you have one thing on the wish list, and that's bass, right?
Yeah, bass. We've talked about bass. What do we have to do to make the body bigger? Do we need to plan for extra tension? I don't know.
Maybe some carbon rods inside, or who knows?
And we got a quick question from Adam online. He wants to know, why not print the neck?
Why not print the neck? Folks have done that. I mean, I've seen it done. Carl Brown, you've probably seen him here. He's done the printed neck. The action's always not that great. We worry about tension. The belt printers, we were printing necks for a while, but the wood it's so much easier to use, and you still get kind of the same feel of a regular old guitar. So.
Chris, this is amazing. Thank you for showing us your guitars. I'm really so excited to see them in person.
Yeah.
So nice to see you here.
Yeah, it's great to see you.
And we're gonna keep Pooch has the list of where we go next.
Let's go see
Okay.
what's latest.
See you, man.
Let's go.
Love you, Chris.
Following you guys.
Okay.
Toward photos.
Towards photos.
Towards Photos.
Okay. Can you send some really good 3D sculpts? We not yet.
Can we sense the sculpts? Sense the sculpts.
I can smell chocolate now as we're working.
Of course, because we're near the chocolate.
Yeah.
I've been walking. Oh, wait, is that him?
I can see photos.
I can see Photos too.
Photos.
Photos.
Photos. Oh, now he's scared. He saw us.
Hey, Photos.
Oh no, it's him.
We can't. How do we get around? We gotta get around.
Can they come around?
Can we come around?
Come around. Come over here. Hi, Brett. Hi, Courtney.
Photos is coming.
Come on. How you doing?
I'm great. How are you guys doing?
How has this been for you for ERRF?
So far, it's been amazing. This year is even better than last year.
Why is that?
Because there's a lot more people and
Okay.
there's a lot more exhibitors as well, and the setup is just excellent.
You like the layout this year?
Yeah,
I think the layout's pretty good. It looks. I don't mind rows, but really this allows for more just kind of movement and excitement.
It's easier, yeah.
And it's easier to see these models in front of me.
Oh my God, yes.
Do you have a favorite?
Yes, it's this my indigenous.
Oh, can I pick it up?
Yes, you can. Tara's not here, so he's not going to kill you.
Just look at that. Oh, I really. What?
I hear they bounce.
I love the detail that you put into your models because they're perfect for resin printing. I mean, if you check even just like clothing texture, you add to it. How difficult is that to do?
I mean, it's not exactly, I wouldn't say it's difficult, but you just have to know what to do to achieve it. Like you have to try some other ways to actually apply the texture of the model. At least I have my own techniques and I achieve very nice texturing.
You do?
Yeah, feel. But it's just mostly experience, you know? You understand how to do something through experience. It's not like it's a rule or something that it has to be done.
I understand. So this is just learn it over time.
Yes.
Okay. Well then, if it's experience, then there must be techniques or something that you're practicing now that you want to get more experience. Can you talk about anything there?
Yeah, I have some ideas right now lately because I would like to combine my usual organic style, but also add some mechanical things in it, which I haven't done before.
Mechanical meaning what?
Meaning that it would have articulated parts, not in a way of
Okay.
An action figure or something, but it would not be all articulated, but it will have some parts of it that might be articulated.
Oh.
But I still don't know exactly what I want to go with this.
Okay.
I have some idea. I have some ideas that they would be very, very good with this way of, making the model this time instead of having just like clay bust. To have some features on it that are like articulated that would give something extra to the
Okay.
whole thing.
So then, if we're thinking about articulation, then are you targeting? Well, I guess with the current models, are you targeting resin for the end product, or with articulation in mind, are you going to be targeting more of the FFF printers to reproduce your models?
I don't think I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I mean, so far my
So
models,
do you target any type of printing, or you just design because you love it?
I design for both mediums, like for resin and for FDM. I mean, I do not exactly chase to make everything support free. I do not want to do that. I don't want to sacrifice.
Oh yeah. Here, come closer. The audience wants to see it.
I don't want to sacrifice anything from the concept, just
That's
for,
fair.
To say that I have a support-free model. Use your own supports.
I don't know. Charo does great supports.
Yeah, for resin, but for FDM, now we have organic supports and Prusa slices.
That's true,
so,
and they work really well.
yeah, it works really well, and people don't be afraid of supports. Really not.
Don't be afraid. Well, okay, with the advent of multicolor 3D printing, I think we need to eliminate the fear of supports and the fear of a waste product, because that waste product is what allows artistic freedom. Would you agree?
I would agree, yes.
Quick question from the chat. Imprinting wants to know, how long have you been doing this now?
Since I bought my first printer, not just sculpting, it's like been 8 years now.
8 years.
8 years.
8
yeah.
years, really?
Yep.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been, and I realized it yesterday. It's been a very long time.
Is there anything upcoming or something that you're really proud of, or you really want to share that you'd like to tell the audience about?
Well, what I'm proud of is that I dared to focus more on my original concepts, and that so far it's going really well. And I was afraid of that people only prefer fan art, but don't be afraid to make your own thing, because it will work. It will work. It will eventually work. No matter how scared you are, just go with it.
So don't be scared. Bring your own creations to life.
Yes.
Okay. I did want to ask one more thing. I mean, we are on the Prusa live stream.
I didn't know that.
how are the printables clubs performing for you? Has that flourished? Is that something that you're really happy you're a part of?
It's a good start. I'll just say that. It's still very, very, very early for the new platform, this new option that we have there. But so far it works perfectly well. We don't have any problems. Some people are already starting to move from Patreon there because it's way easier there.
I did.
Yes, you did. I saw that. And it's way easier to move this to transfer everything you have in printables, because it's everything organized there now, and it's made for us. It's not a generic platform like Patreon, so
That makes a lot of sense.
already works really nice.
Oh, that's great. So then it's a good start,
Yeah.
and you're just excited to see what comes of it.
Yes, and
Oh,
from
cool.
what I know so far, and the things that the awesome people in printables preparing, we're gonna see some really, really nice stuff with printables gloves.
That's awesome.
That's for sure, yeah.
Any other questions from the chat? Are we good?
Yes, I want to know how do you have such a majestic beard?
Ooh, good question.
I mean, you would know. You got half of it. How do I do it? It's my DNA.
It's in the DNA.
Yeah, that's the answer. That's my secret.
We're going to move on. Fotis, I love you, dude. Thanks for doing this. Appreciate it. Bring it in, Mickey.
Come on. All right, Nikki, let's talk to Britt real quick.
Yeah,
Bro,
Britt is preparing right here. She has like amazing glowing hands. It's amazing. We're just like stealing you for 1 second because this looks incredible.
Yeah, absolutely. So I did it's a Sith named Lola from Star Wars Visions, Season 2, Episode 1. She's an artist and kind of struggles with the painting that she's been working on for a long time. So it has a lot of meaning to it. It's really valuable storyline. And then this is her companion droid, E2. She has a cyborg arm, so I just went with it. Thanks to Adafruit, I could, a novice like me figured out how to wire this, because I really wanted the red glow
It
to
looks so. Come on, give me like a flex, because this looks so good.
So I kind of feel Iron Man-ish, because I keep going like
Yeah.
this. Yeah, the articulated pieces. Just have it battery pack in my shoulder. Have the battery pack in my shoulder. And then
Yeah, there's an announcement happening. Give us a second.
The longest announcement
Always
ever.
getting interrupted, Brad. Not cool, huh?
it's fine. So he has LED eye right now, but I actually have a screen. I just needed a little bit more time. We're going to learn to program it so his eye is interactive with you as he moves around.
This is awesome, Brett. Thank you. It looks incredible.
All right. Time to move on.
And we are moving on to more booths, so follow me.
There it is. Are we moving on?
We are moving on.
Okay. See Nuka Cola with Geek Tech. I'm excited for this next one, guys.
So we are walking past Cocoa Press, but I think everyone is outside for the BattleBots. So we will stop here in a minute. There's also an amazing robot, which actually is right here. Let's do this now because this is incredible.
Okay, here.
Pooch, you're gonna do that?
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's going on?
How are you doing today? Are you enjoying ERRF 2023?
My first time, and I wasn't even nervous.
Not even nervous.
Not once.
Can you tell our viewers here on the podcast what's your name, rank, serial number?
My name is RXQ, RX91L.
RX91L. Can I just call you RX for short?
Yeah, that's easy, right?
Okay, now what happens if I take your restraining bolt off right here, RX?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Maybe I'll leave it. Maybe I'll leave it on.
Yep, okay.
You're an interesting bot. I gotta say, one that I haven't seen. Very expressive robot. Now, is this something that you've learned over time? I feel like there's some connection to your voice and how you move. Can you tell us?
It is, yes. We have a system set up that's free animation. So, it's complicated, but it's really cool. So cool.
That's incredible. And I can see that your head now, how many degrees of freedom do you have? Can you spin your head entirely around like an owl?
Because I'll pull my wire.
Oh, because your
wanna
wire.
maintain that.
I see.
But yeah, I can move my head in 3 dimensions.
Yeah?
So I can lean left and right like a little puppy.
Oh,
And so I can be even more expressive.
Thank you.
I can look into my eyes.
this is fantastic. I think he's trying to hypnotize me.
I know.
It's working. Fantastic. And you're filming us as well at the same time?
Yeah.
Wow. That's not exactly a flattering angle, but that's cool. And you've got 3 arms,
I do.
and they can all wave. Can we high five maybe?
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3.
Oh, it's crisp.
Good job.
Very crisp. Listen, this was a lot of fun, and I see you brought a lot of your friends with you, too. Can you tell us about the group that we're meeting here today?
Yeah, we have a R2D2, the legend. This is our duo. He's from Star Wars Visions.
This is our duo here?
It's our duo.
Hi, our duo. Ah, really? You know I don't speak Spanish. Yeah,
I can
very good.
translate.
What do you say?
He's saying, are you ready to party?
I am ready to party. I am ready to party. This has been fast. And what other friends did you bring with you, too?
We have BB-8,
Hey,
the
BB!
hero of the resistance.
Yeah, indeed. He seems a little shy. I can't tell. He's a little timid. I won't hurt you. Oh, the lights are out. Now it's time to dance. Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. You got the
There he
floor.
is.
I know.
Yeah, looking good.
He's doing pretty good.
Controlling all
Can he talk?
from
Let's
that.
see, can he talk, BB?
Oh, he's very quiet.
No.
He's a little shy. He's a little shy today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's a little shy.
Very cool. Yeah.
And if you've seen the new show, here's Chopper.
Hi, Chopper. How are you? That's awesome.
He's a little grumpy. He's
What?
a little grumpy.
He's not having a good show so far, huh?
No. It's not.
Ma-
Oh, I'm sorry.
He needs a clean.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. We don't talk about the grumpiness.
No, sorry.
Very good. Very good.
The hero of Star Wars, R2D2.
R2. It is an honor and a privilege. Yeah. He's just kind of taking the whole scene in. It seems.
I used to play a Jin Rummy.
Yeah.
Too sassy.
Fantastic. Well, listen, we're going to push on to some other booths. This is fantastic. Thank you so much for your time, RX.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a great day.
Take care. Bye-bye. Where are we heading to next?
I think Ellie just returned.
Oh, we got to go talk to Ellie.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So these droids are incredible,
take the
and
camera.
we are moving on to Cocoa Press, where I see Ellie and her
Can you
chocolate.
come talk to us real quick?
Hey,
Hey Ellie,
is this Prusa live?
this is very much live.
Amazing. Hello.
It's not complete chaos at all. It's very well scripted.
Perfect. Hello.
Can you have your production machines here, right?
Yes.
It's happening.
It's happening.
It's happening,
We're finally
everyone.
shipping chocolate printers. Well, in 3 weeks, but you know.
Can you show us the printer and tell us
Sure.
something about it?
Sure. Let's go to this one.
Okay.
Okay. How do I do this?
Well, you tell us.
Okay. Chocolate printer. So, everyone wants to know, what does the chocolate filament look like? I don't have a Prusa mint line, so I have a chocolate production line. Our chocolate starts in these chocolate cores. They go into our food safe stainless steel plunger, or syringe, cartridge, that's the word. Goes right into our machine.
Okay.
Locks in with a beautifully custom engraved thumb screw because
Nice.
we're really extra.
Wow.
And RCF from the Voron team designed this beautiful latch. It latches in, and that's how you load chocolate.
Fantastic.
And then it prints. We can do a Benchy in 27 minutes.
And what is the infill in that Benchy?
That's
chocolate infill.
15%, 25%, I don't remember.
What type of infill? The
Oh.
tastiest infill?
No, this one's grid, But if you want some tasty infill,
Can Joe have some tasty infill?
Joe, do you want
Joe,
to
let's do
make
live tasting.
Live tasting.
Wait. Joe. So live tasting with Joe. This is what's this infill?
Like,
Line infill?
Yeah.
But I feel bad because I already ate some.
We brought over 1,000.
And Mickey, did you taste it?
No, I haven't.
So you will do the live tasting.
Okay, I will do.
Okay.
Joe brought his official food tester.
Yeah, there you go.
It's delicious.
Benchy's pretty nice. That's a beauty.
Experimental. The white chocolate is
Oh, tell us about those.
So, more Benchies. Texture makes the print taste different.
Now I want the chocolate printer and I want to taste all the infills.
So-
like, how does the gyroid taste?
Oh, the gyroid tastes the best. I also am a big fan of just lines, the line infill, because it crushes really nicely.
That's I think what I had.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
Also, what are these like chocolate colors?
Yeah, so Printed Solid made us custom colors to our logo, and so we actually sell these on the website too. They are gorgeous colors.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Printed solid
Perfect.
is cool.
Yeah, pretty solid. If I want to give more Prusa plugs, we're a default in Prusa Slicer now, so that's a pretty big deal for us. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm pretty happy with that.
I am about to place an order for one.
Yes!
Because our team, they asked me that they really need this for testing.
Making the profiles, they can't do it without a printer.
That makes sense. I'll have to get you one.
So do we
Well-
put this in the fridge ideally to have the best performance? What do we do?
No, it's good at room temperature. In the
Wow.
fridge, it can actually cause sugar bloom, where the sugar separates out from the cocoa solids.
Okay.
And so it gets like a white powdery finish. It's still safe to eat, but you actually just want it at room temperature.
So the room temperature is happy
Yeah.
to print.
There's no
That's
fans. It's a
incredible.
very quiet machine.
There are many printed parts on it.
Yes, it's Voron style kit, all of that. Print your own parts.
That's very fitting for a rep festival.
Definitely.
3D printed machine. I wonder if we're gonna make one out of chocolate.
I want to so badly.
This is awesome. Congrats, Ali.
Thank you
I'm
so
really happy
much.
to see in production.
Thank you. And if I can do my 3-second sales pitch, if you want a chocolate printer, go to cocopress.com.
There you go. There you go. Everyone on chat, get a chocolate 3D printer. That's awesome. And we are moving on. Where are we moving, Pooch? You don't have your phone. Someone stole your phone.
Nuka-Cola.
Nuka-Cola sounds great. This is like streamception, multiple streams happening at the same time. So once again on the right side, I can see Chris's basement. There's like a cool maze happening right here. And we are getting close to an absolutely incredible print. Hello, mister. You are standing in front of something that completely blows my mind. Can you tell us something about this armor and what did you print it on? How long did it take? This is crazy big project.
So this is the Nuka-Cola T51B power armor from Fallout 4. In total, it's over 19,000 print hours.
Did you say 19,000?
19,000, spread over 5 machines.
Did you say 5 machines?
5 machines.
19,000 hours. This is completely crazy. Come on.
There's 50 rolls of filament, including my supports and my failures.
15 rolls actually
50.
doesn't seem
50.
15.
50. 50.
Okay. Yeah, that's about
It's a
right.
bit extreme.
Yeah. I saw you is this like one of the pieces of armor detachable?
So I embedded magnets into the armor so they can snap on and off, but I did the entire internal framework as well.
This is sick. Bitch, come get this because it even has the internals.
That's incredible.
And it can be worn. The convention center asked me not to wear it because of liability reasons, but it can be worn.
This is wearable. Have you put it on?
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
And so only Mark III's and Mini.
The Mark IIIs and Minis, yeah. Last year I did the portal robot on the Minis to prove it could be done on a small machine. This is done on the Mark III.
That was the proof of concept, and
Yeah.
it's coming to fruition.
Yeah.
And I've heard you are thinking about releasing this, right? The files.
I am releasing the files. The power armor frame, the armor that goes on top of it, and all the other stuff for the project this year will be put onto printables by the end of ERRF for everybody to have.
That's amazing. So that's tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow it's gonna be on printables. This is crazy. High five, because I'm gonna steal Joel's thing because this is just blows my mind completely. Thanks for showing us this. And we are moving on to another cool thing. We lost Joel somewhere. I see Joel. He's back there. Do we catch Joel? He will love this. I will go catch him.
All right.
Okay. I'm gonna catch Joel. Joel, I have something I need to show you. I hate to interrupt this, but
It's all right.
Joel will love it. Come on, walk with me.
We'll chat. Okay, we're going somewhere.
So,
I'm told it's a secret.
how much do you like colors?
Colors?
Yes.
I'm a fan of colors.
Are you a fan of colors?
Yes.
So let me show you something.
Okay.
This is all the colors.
All of the colors.
Of all the filaments ever.
Of all what?
Yeah, your mind will be like, complete. Get ready to have your mind exploded. Hello. We may be live right now.
I think we are live. There's no maybes. There's no maybes.
We already talked. This blew my mind. I want you to blow his mind as well.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, hi.
Hi.
I'm being handed a microphone.
Hi.
So
What's your name?
I'm Joe.
Joe?
Yes.
I'm Joel.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
Yeah, good to meet you. So Mickey came over and said this is all the colors.
This is about 1,500 colors.
Okay.
So it's not quite all, but I'm working on it. It's
Okay.
slowly but surely.
Well, there's slightly more than 1,500, I'm told.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit. There's at least another 500 in my queue specifically, and then there's the others that I haven't gotten yet.
Okay.
So, in general, the question that we're trying to answer is what happens when you buy a spool of filament online, and it comes and it's not quite the color that you thought it was going to be. It's a very expensive and a very annoying problem,
It can be,
especially
yes.
if you don't like to paint. I do not like to paint.
I'm not a painter either.
I loathe painting with a fiery, burning passion.
Wow, okay. Wow.
So what we do is we get as many filaments as we can. We print them all the same way. We measure them all the same way. And we photograph them all the same way. So what we do is we make just a crap load of these.
Oh, it's just like a swatch of,
Yeah,
of
just
color.
a little swatch of color.
Okay.
Each one has its own little handmade label because I really like writing my own labels.
I
and
guess
I think
so.
it gives it a nice charm. And then on our website, we list all of them so that, I can show you, assuming that it's happy to work right now. So this is actually our website. It is running a little slowly because it's, of course, show day, and demo day means it's going to run slowly. So for each swatch that
Nice
we
little
have,
animation there.
Thank you. I am a much better programmer than I am animator, but I appreciate the vote of confidence. So for each one, we have information about it, where you can purchase it, and then RAL and Pantone matching for that color, if that's the kind of thing you're into.
Oh.
Then we auto-generate color matches for different palettes for this color as the root. So if you're making a project and it just needs to look good, but you're not necessarily caring about like actual details of it, here's 4 colors from 4 different manufacturers. Purchase these 4, it's going to look good.
That's cool.
And that's the end story.
Well, I worked for Adobe, and I know that they had a color science team, and I was part of, they had some apps for generating color palettes.
Yes.
And it blew my mind having complementary colors and the science behind it, and you're doing this, but with filament.
Exactly.
That's cool.
Exactly. And it's a lot of fun.
There's a machine for it, right?
There is. So I've custom designed this. This is our photography machine. So it is specifically designed just to take these swatches, put them in the right spot. I would show you, but I need 2 hands to do it. Put them in the right spot so that we can get it directly under the camera. And then we have 192 LEDs worth of glorious shadow obliterating stuff so that we can make sure we get the best pictures every time.
Consistently.
Consistently.
Like the same.
The same.
Because that's important.
It is.
Okay, so then this effort seems amazing, and you said you have 1,500
I
current
do.
colors from various manufacturers. Then
150 some odd manufacturers.
It would make sense for you to partner with these manufacturers to be able to link back to sale pages on their websites, right?
Yes, we frequently do. So we have some great manufacturer relationships with a couple of folks here on the floor, and we do try and make these relationships wherever we can.
That's cool.
But yeah, if you make filament, I want to hear from you. Excellent.
Do you have any? Oh, so Prusa probably needs to.
They do. I have like a bunch of their stuff, but I could use more.
Sure.
I could always use more. But yeah, take a sticker while you're here.
This is, God, this is cool. I love this effort because it's an important part of people 3D printing with colorful filaments because you don't know, right?
Yes.
If you've never ordered a filament before, how do you verify that the color that's on the manufacturer's website is exactly what you want?
Absolutely.
Well, so then
and
how do
everybody
you
photographs it slightly differently.
How do you deal with batches? Because with colorful filaments, there is a chance that color can vary batch to batch.
There absolutely is a chance, and the short version is it is not as much of a problem as it was a long time ago. So from about 2012 to about 2016, it was really bad. 2016 to 2018, it got a lot better. I'm not going to tell you why because we're online and I don't want to make fun of anybody. And then from about 2018 on, then it got way better. It got way better. So realistically, there isn't actually much variance anymore. For some manufacturers, especially those who work with recycled pieces like Greengate, then every time they make a change to a recipe, they can let me know. and we can update what's on the website with the current value, or just mark a point in time and say, if you have one from 2018 or 2019, you're working with this color. Or if you have one from now, you're working with this color. And we can handle that differently.
And then working with manufacturers, it's not like if they have 150 different colors, they have to send you 150 different spools. Those swatches don't take much material to make.
They don't, only about a meter or two each for each one. So most of the time we work with manufacturers to get specific sample lengths or something like that.
On our Prusa lines, we actually do have like a little like color measuring thing, and it's like a loop to the thing that feeds in the pigment, and we have a little delta E like the car manufacturers use.
Yeah.
And if the color is like more than a certain delta E away from the what it's supposed to be, we discard the spool and we use it internally. So Prusa spools should be the same color like now and 2 years ago, hopefully. So
Which is good though.
So hopefully that helped to like push the standard up there with like color consistency.
Yeah, makes perfect sense to me. I'd love it if everybody used a system like that, but of course, no dice.
That's an involved system.
Yeah, like it's totally doable to just measure how much weight of the pigment are you putting in, and that's your color. But if you actually measure it and loop it, then it's going to be a little bit more accurate. So
a little bit, but that's cool.
That's what we try to do.
Absolutely.
This has been rad, man.
Got a question for the chat real quick.
Okay, go for it.
Sorry, really quick, a question from the chat. Chris, our friend Crispy, print. I'm sorry, I'm blowing your name right now.
Okay, what do you got?
He wants to know, have you worked with HueForge or talked to HueForge about potentially showing some of these colors off and getting a deeper integration with the HueForge system that's really popular right now?
Roughly 16 minutes ago.
So yes.
Yes, the answer is yes. I just talked to HueForge. They're here on the show floor. The short version is when I started this project in 2019, transmissivity was not a question.
Yeah, no one cared.
No one cared, literally. So all of the labels that I use are light blocking labels, which makes measuring it makes measuring it really hard. So if I wanted to go through and relabel 1,500 swatches by hand, which I don't, then I could measure that information myself. As it stands right now, it sounds like we've got a really good opportunity for HueForge and Filament Colors to do something.
Yeah.
Not in the immediate, very near future, but something.
That makes sense.
Something soon, hopefully.
That's cool.
Fingers crossed.
Hey, when people want to know more about this, like if people are like, hey, how can I find out more information?
Yes.
Tell them where to go.
Filamentcolors.xyz is my website. You can also find me on Twitter @filamentcolors, and you can find me on the Fediverse @filamentcolors at 3dp.chat.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Thank you very much.
This is great. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Have a good show, guys.
And the show continues. So next up we have Lightburn laser etching chocolate.
And my apologies to Chris Russell at Practical Printing. I just had a terrible brain fart when it came
We're
to
just
remembering
walking past STL Denise. Hi, Denise. And Pooch is leading us to Lightburn.
Almost there, guys. Almost there. You guys ready for a surprise impromptu interview? So we're doing Prusa Live. We see some familiar faces here. Welcome, gentlemen. You guys having a good ERRF 2023? State your name and name for the record, please.
My name is Joe Spanier.
Yes.
Work for Lightburn.
Yeah.
I make things with lasers.
Yeah.
And 3D printers.
And we know
CNC
you.
Things.
Yeah. Prusa Live guests will definitely know me.
Yeah. Excellent. So we heard a rumor that you guys were showing off laser etched chocolate.
Yeah.
And you know that I have a fondness for lasers, also a fondness for chocolate. Can you show us this? Do you have a demo of it here available?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Go for it. All right.
We're going to do a live demo. What could possibly go wrong? So we have some Ghirardelli chocolate. That's a fine California chocolate company. San Francisco, California, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look here. So this is Lightburn. We've got a nice engraved set. So what are the ideal speeds and powers for chocolate here? I've never had to configure my lasers for chocolate.
It looks like about 400 millimeters per second and 90% power with the blue laser.
The blue laser. So this is a diode-based setup.
This laser does diode and IR.
Really?
Yeah, it's interesting.
This is fun.
And the real fun part about this laser is it will completely illuminate the build plate. So we got to focus it to the top of the chocolate.
So we're just lining up dots. We got some safety filtering happening here, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Good.
And then off we go.
Whoa. I feel like you want to make laser noises. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
And like
it's going.
Just,
it kind of has a smell.
Just
Joel,
smell
how would
it.
you describe that smell?
Smell the burn.
Tasty in progress.
That is tastiness in progress. Joel says. I love it. And it's moving along. It's not too bad for a little square. So I can see somebody having a good time doing some promo materials with this. You can just get any off the shelf. I'm assuming you guys did a little design for that that printed tool holder.
Yep.
Very nice.
That's all Matt.
Nicely done, Matt.
Yeah. The color selection is just on point.
I'm really excited to see how this comes out. And does it like the flavor? Like, does it have like a burnt taste to it?
It can. It depends on your settings. It's pretty tuned in that it's pretty.
So try to describe. Like, I can see some like ablated chocolate coming off of it, and it's got a roasty smell to it. It's not a burn.
Yeah.
But it's not like just chocolatey, like what you would smell if you were like melting chocolate, fondue or something.
It reminds you burnt the chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, it's like you burnt the chocolate chip cookies.
It reminds me of coffee roasting.
Yes. Yeah. So kind of that smell. So we're almost through.
Almost through.
And then the moment of truth.
It looks really good. Like the definition is unexpectedly good.
Like how much depth are we getting?
Not very much, but it gives you a nice color definition. It's very high resolution.
Awesome.
Significantly better than we thought.
And while we're waiting for this to finish, we have to plug. I'm going to be with you guys next month.
Yeah.
In Peoria, Illinois.
Yep.
For the first ever
Lightburn Experience.
Lightburn Experience, where we can talk about this and all things pew.
So many more things. There's
excellent.
So many laser
Oh
things.
my goodness! Look at that. Can you get that on? You guys, this is incredible. Actually, I'm really surprised. You said there's not much, but I feel like there's some really good contrast in it.
Yeah. The contrast is good. The depth is kind of minimal.
Eat it.
Would you eat this?
Well, I got a whiff of like burning hair smell, so let's wait a little bit.
Pass? You gonna pass on that? A little burning hair smell. He says. Can I pull it out?
Go for it.
Is it? Okay, it's not hot.
You are brave. I'll get half.
Okay. All right. Break it in half for us, and then we'll cheers. Oh, it's creamy filling. You surprised us.
Yeah.
Okay. You want some minty goodness?
I've had 2 already.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, it's lasery.
It's good.
Yeah. Joe, Prusa approves.
Excellent.
Guys, thank you so much. This was a lot of fun.
Thanks for coming by.
I hope you're having a great show, and we'll chat with you soon.
Fantastic show.
Good seeing you, man.
Have fun, guys.
All
Yes,
right.
I'll see you later.
All right. Let's move on. Should we go upstairs?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Okay, all right. Joel, we're going to follow you upstairs. Let's go see some mini battle bots.
Okay, mini battle bots. Let's go.
The battle bots are on this side, but we're going to have to go up that way.
I'm going to follow Mickey.
I got to tell you, we've been to at least 5 of these now, 5 or 6. Hey! Impromptu. This is Uncle Jesse for real. We
It's Uncle
come
Jesse.
sometimes.
What the heck? This guy.
Say hi to the Prusa Live crowd.
Hi, Prusa Live.
It must not be New York Comic Con time.
It's 2 weeks away, man. I got a lot more printing to do. I'm behind schedule on some big 3D projects.
Some cosplay projects.
Can you tell us what? Maybe give us a tease of what we might expect.
There's slugs involved.
A slug Magneto?
Something similar to that. Very similar.
Oh.
We're getting there.
Okay, now we're doing.
Think those very popular slugs just scaled up significantly.
There's also Grant in the background.
Hey, Grant!
Hi, Grant!
Hey, how you doing? Say hi to Prusa Live.
Hey, Prusa Live, how's everybody? Hey, guys.
We're doing
There's just
well.
layers of awesome behind us.
So much awesome in one
You
place.
guys are just rocking it here with the cool
Yeah.
Any badges?
You know,
No,
gotta-
these are from K2 Kevin.
We got to
These
shout out
are-
K2 Kevin.
These are custom lays. We got laid at Earth.
And look at this. This is actually functional too. These are the filament clips he designs for keeping your filament spools tidy.
Yep.
Oh, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
I just kind of shove them into the openings of that, and then eventually they snap off. So it's
Well, that's one way to
That's
do
fine.
it. Yeah.
Very correct.
All right. Hey, we're gonna go check out some printed battle bots.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
All right. You too, man.
Bye, Clayton.
Bye.
Okay.
What a cool dude.
Okay.
All right, we're going upstairs now.
Going up the stairs.
So the downstairs, I was saying stairs now with exhibitor tables as well.
There's the pizza exhibitor right there.
Pizza exhibitor. Have you partaken in
No,
the pizza?
no, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe later.
Maybe later. You never know. There's always time for pizza.
Yep. So we've got food and refreshments. This is where everybody checks in.
I enjoy being refreshed.
Yeah. Who doesn't?
That's a good point.
Yeah. We'll just take a bathroom break really quick. No, we won't do that. We're on the stream. We'll come back. So
Where's
heading
that,
over here
right?
to the macro bot. Yeah, well, that was a long. We
Macro.
had a long way to go for this one, guys. Sorry. And
area
we've got a
combat.
couple, and we're hoping that maybe we can get a little demo here for the Prusa Live people.
Absolutely.
Joel, why don't you take a try? Go ahead.
All right.
Hey there.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, going good. What's your name?
My name's Jeff.
Hey, Jeff.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. I was promised fighting robots.
We do have fighting robots.
I would love to see them.
Okay, right now we have the octopus in the arena right now.
Oh, look at that. It's literally an octopus.
You've never seen a combat octopus?
I have not seen a combat octopus. I've seen a drunken octopus. I've never seen a combat octopus.
There's a first for everything.
I guess so. Tell me about this combat octopus. How does this work?
So we run several different classes of robots, primarily in the. I didn't want to interrupt.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I just got interrupted by awesome things. Okay, okay, I thought it was just pageantry,
No.
but no, it's got like
it will slap its opponent to death.
it's got death blows.
Yes.
And almost with the eyeballs where it's at, it's almost like an elephant up front with an octopus body, you know. Oh, and it's got a spin attack and oh, Mickey, are you getting this? Look at this. Okay, tell me about the octopus that's currently destroying things.
So the octopus is.
This
Part
is
of
our group is also a BattleBots Doomba.
Here you go.
And
wait, you get to take that, and you get to hold that.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. So,
sorry, Jeff.
Doomba is a Roomba with a chainsaw. Okay.
Of course
and
it
it's
is.
on the TV show BattleBots.
Okay.
All right. So I made a fan version, but mine's a Cthulhu version of the Doomba.
Okay, it's a Cthulhu.
Doomthulu.
Doomthulu, even better. Okay. I had a 50-50 shot.
So it's got the tentacles
Yeah.
and all the eyeballs and,
Of course.
and so forth. It's just a fun play on, the Roomba theme.
That makes sense. Roomba theme being just a flat disc.
A vacuum. The Roomba
Was that
vacuum.
once a vacuum?
It's a mock-up of one.
It's cosplaying as one.
Right.
Okay, understandable.
So,
tell me about it.
It's all for fun. This is my third robot that I built.
Okay.
It has articulating tentacles.
I saw those. Those are pretty cool.
Each one is motorized, and each tentacle is 3D printed as one piece. It's not put together. It's all 3D printed as one piece.
I see. Okay.
I have Repeat Robotics motors running it, and they're high quality motors that is used in the combat robotics environment. And yeah, it's great. It's a lot of fun. Kids love it.
Adults do too.
Yeah. They see the tails wagging and so forth.
I'm going to have you hold that just a little bit closer.
Okay.
There you go.
The kids love it.
I would imagine so. Plus, this is going to bring a lot of kids closer to STEAM fields, robotics, and being able to just get interested in this stuff.
That's one of the main things our group does is we do STEAM and STEM. I do more of the artistic combat robotics where
artistic combatic robots. Right. Oh, okay.
Well, mine ain't the most damaging, but mine's more fun and gets the kids cheering.
Okay,
which
sounds
we
great.
We have people to here that do crazy, powerful ones too. We don't have that bot over here right now, but it all depends on what you want to do.
Okay.
So you could do the powerful to win. You can do the unique designs. You can do the artistic designs. There's a flavor of combat robots for everyone.
That's really cool because a lot of times when people want to get interested in that, sometimes it's a narrow path. And so being able to have options within robotics really can cater to those who don't want to necessarily follow a specific path, like the artistic side of robotics.
Right.
That's awesome.
There's a little bit. In real life, I'm a mechanical engineer. So I started off with this just to have a mechanical hobby. And I love to hear this kid scream for, a really goofy. I don't even drive my own bots. I get to an event and I take my controller. I find the nearest 12-year-old kid and say, "Hey, you want to drive this?" "Yeah." And then I have all the kids. Half of them are yelling, "Cut the tail off," and the other half are saying, "Don't cut the tail off." And it's a lot of fun.
It descends into the best kind of madness, I like to say.
That's why I create bots. I love to get the kids involved. And the great thing is, if you can get kids started early on with something like combat robots, okay, it's easy to do. Groups like Macro, we help out from start to finish for all ages, whether it's a kid or adults.
That's perfect.
We can teach you from start to finish, and especially for like the kids, anything that they can show on their college, their entry, resume. If it says something about STEAM and STEM and robotics, it helps them out.
Oh, absolutely. I'm going to have to catch up a little bit because we do have to get to the other events. But before we go, I want you to look into the camera and tell people where they can go to find out more about this crazy robot and what you're doing.
Okay. We have 2 locations. We're at unallocated space in Severn, Maryland. We're also run out of Baltimore Hackerspace in Baltimore. Our organization is called Macro, and we're part of Baltimore Hackerspace, and we are partnered with Unallocated Space. We meet up every Monday, starting about 6 o'clock at Unallocated Space in Severn. And anyone that's interested in knowing more, please stop by. We're all here. My name is Brian. On our Discord, I go by Ice Defender. And, come out, have fun, and it's a great experience.
Well, it looks like for the people that aren't here, they can go to macrobot.us. That sounds about right. Macrobot.us. There we go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right,
Dude,
Joel.
that was awesome.
Yeah. Thanks. We're going to try to get one more thing in because we've only got about 6-7 minutes before we're going to get back to the Prusa booth to do the big giveaway.
Oh, are we doing a big giveaway?
We're doing a big giveaway.
What are we giving away?
Well, the grand prize is going to be a brand new
bag of rice.
The second place prize is going to be
a gallon of water.
And we got a Mark IV, too. Yeah. Maybe that we'll do that, too. We got some Prusa swag. We got some filament. It's going to be fun. So we'll have a crowd there. We'll round things out there.
Prizes must be present, right?
Prizes must be present. We gave out tickets all day. People seem to be very excited. I know there's a couple of giveaways happening, so we've got a little bit of time. We may go a little over, but we're going to come right here real quick. Do one last.
Mitch. Bye, Mitch.
Hey guys, you ready to show off to Prusa Live here? Some really cool 3D printed puzzles here. Joel, tell me something really quick before he jumps off. Have you seen Rubik's Cubes anything like this before?
I have not, and I'm excited to learn more.
Level. If you would, really quick, why don't you tell us who you are? You're on stream for Prusa Live right now.
Sure. So my name is Michael. I am part of this community of twisty puzzles. So we make variants of the Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
So all of these puzzles here are 3D printed through different types of 3D printing. So we
Okay.
have some that are SLS 3D printed.
SLS. Okay.
SLS, and then from then on, we started to kind of evolve to try to tackle FDM 3D printing in order to create a puzzle that most represents an actual mass-produced factory-made puzzle.
Wow. And look,
Yeah.
some of these I'm seeing have some incredibly
Yeah, so-
complicated gear trains.
Right.
Joe,
So if I show you this one here,
I can't do it with one
Here.
hand.
I'll do it
There we go.
together,
We'll
yeah.
go tag team. Yeah.
Just like that.
Teamwork.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, guys. And that's a smooth motion. That feels really fluid. Are you lubricating these at all?
Yeah, so part of the process is lubrication.
Okay.
And then once we put lube in, then we actually start to turn the puzzle. And the process of turning the puzzle, because it's printed in ABS.
This is ABS?
Yeah,
Okay.
it starts to sand the pieces down internally.
Ah. Okay.
And then on the outside, what we do is we actually use several layers of grit to polish the surface of the puzzle.
Wow.
To give it this nice kind of injection molded finish.
If you were to just hand this to me, I would have said it looked like somebody put some decals on it, or maybe
Yeah.
there was some vapor smoothing done.
Yeah, so
none of that.
What do you use to design these? This is like incredibly complex.
Yeah, so we design these in SolidWorks or Onshape.
Okay.
And then actually in terms of the smoothing process, once we sand it down, the finish is actually kind of still rough.
Yeah.
And the color is more white or grayish. And so what we do is we take acetone, we dampen a cloth with it, and then we
Okay.
kind of wipe it clean.
So you're just doing acetone wipe, but
Yeah.
still really nice effect. These guys came out good. I really wish, unfortunately, we've only got like 2 minutes before we got to wrap up, but I want to point out this one here because this, for anybody that's been paying attention, we use this model a lot to demo, or a very similar one to demo the melted Rubik's Cube, but this is actually a functional one.
It is functional, yes.
This is so cool.
So I'll hand this to you. There you are. So this one was made by a guy named Cubes Made Easy.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And tell us really quick, if people want to check this stuff out, where can they get more information? Is this stuff that people can make on their own? How does that work?
So you can follow us at our channels. So my channel is Puzzleworks. That's one word on YouTube.
At Puzzleworks or Puzzleworks on YouTube?
mhm,
Okay,
yeah.
good.
For the bigger puzzles, that's
Yeah.
Matt Bonner, last name Bahner.
Okay.
And then for some of these other ones, the channel name is Cubes Made Easy.
Cubes Made Easy, and I gotta say, guys, it's really hard to capture on camera, but like some of the geometry that they're using here is very non-traditional. I don't know if you want to show that one looks
this one, yeah, this
particularly
one's quite crazy.
hefty and different and unique. Can I just like put it
Yeah.
on my hand here?
There you go.
Well, lay it flat. How about that?
Sure.
Because I wanted to see that has got some heft to it, and then show us how these like rotate.
Oh yeah. So part of the rotation is along these little wedges here, but the other part is kind of along this disc, which is a little bit tougher for us to turn. I don't know if I'll be able to get it for us on camera.
That's fine, but I
You
think
have to
people get
trust
the
me on
idea.
that. Yeah.
Very creative. You guys are very creative. I highly encourage you guys to check out all the things he said, and we'll do our best to try to put some links where we can as well. But thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you for showcasing
And
us.
enjoy the rest of the show.
Will do. You have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Take care. All right. Let's head back down.
So we're gonna head down to the booth, and there are about 1 million people down there.
There's 1.8 bajillion people at the
And
booth.
the one problem is that once I go on the stairs, I will lose the Wi-Fi.
What?
So my plan is I will run really quickly through the stairs,
Okay.
and I'm sure it will be fine.
Okay.
So get ready and hey, we did it.
Okay. Did we do it? Did we do
Chat,
it?
tell us if the Wi-Fi is okay. Somebody tell us we didn't lose the connection, and
It's
it's gone.
gone.
No.
It might be
It'll
back.
come back. There's a buffer.
Yes, works. It worked. And we made it.
We made it.
Yes.
Yes.
To the booth. Did you
To
see
the
the
booth.
crowd?
The crowd is
We
crazy.
gotta go to the booth.
The people are waiting.
Okay.
We're going. I can hear the crowd. Light burn over there.
Right on time.
We're gonna be right on time.
Like a well-oiled time.
Excuse us.
Well-oiled time machine.
There we go. The Prusa booth is full of people. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse
Pardon me.
Sorry. Pardon. Excuse me. It's happening. It's happening.
Who are you again?
And here we are.
Wow.
We lost the tripod. I'll hold the camera.
Matt has it.
It's it. It's right there. You can see it.
And they're coming.
I thought we left it.
Do we have a bucket to draw from?
We have a box that Mona is filling.
Mona, Že to už brát, nebo ještě přidávat?
Ještě přidávám, teď ještě musím přidat. A tady máte ty věci, já nevím, jestli jste
Hi
dostali.
everyone, thanks for coming.
A řekni, možná jim řekni.
Co jim řeknu?
Well, okay, I can hand this off.
Jo, to je v pohodě.
Well, I know, but I'm talking to these people. Okay. Well, I don't want to scream into the mic. Okay.
So we're gonna draw winners of some awesome merch and also of a Mark IV. So Joel, how do we combine the prizes? We have some cool merch, some hats, some shirts.
That's completely and totally up to you.
That's not so.
I'm just gonna shout numbers.
And so let me put together a prize.
Yes.
And we'll see what happens.
Joel, we have the PA. Yeah, get it over here.
Oh yeah. Yes, please. Looks like we're gonna get a PA.
All right, guys, bear with us just a sec. The PA is coming so that everybody that's here can hear us. We're getting the microphone so you can all hear us. We're trying to simulcast. And I'm like yelling into this.
You're yelling into this. It's okay. Oh, we are ready. Okay.
Hold on. What? Okay, let's draw it out just a second so we can like actually allow people to hear us. I think.
We're getting the PA
We're
system.
gonna get like the big mic.
Yes.
Yeah, the big mic.
Yes. So, just to recap really quick, we spent the last hour going through only seeing a small sampling.
It's just a sliver.
Taste, just a taste.
A sliver of what's really cool here.
So guys, if you have not come to an ERRF before, I highly recommend it. Not if you can't make it to this, maybe there's a Rep Rap Festival. There are more options than ever before now to go see a Rep Rap Festival near you, the Rocky Mountain, the Midwest Rep Rap Festival. This is one that's near and dear to me. And the organizers and team have done a fantastic job as always here 2023. I've been having a blast and we're only getting started.
This is really fun.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to do a really big selfie here.
Okay, all right, we're going to do, and then maybe one with the crowd. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
All right, bear with us.
Hey, everybody!
Everybody wave! We're on Prusa Live! Hopefully that PA is on its way. It's coming. It's coming. It's on the way.
We're thinking about it.
We're thinking about it. Thank you for being with us.
That's not done.
All right, I'd say give it maybe one more minute, and now that we'll just project.
We'll figure it out.
Hey, look at that! It just showed up right behind us.
Ask and you shall receive.
Thank you.
You just said my name 3 times. Boom.
We spoke, and a wild Jim has
I
appeared.
feel really bad because you guys trying to give a talk.
Well, then should we not? Should we just project?
Well, let's use this sparingly.
Can everybody hear me? Check. Hello, check. Well, that's the stream one. Check.
Hey-o. Well,
well-oiled machine.
We jinxed it. I think I jinxed it.
All right, I'm going to project. Here, hold that.
Yeah. All right.
Hey, everybody!
Hey, Joel!
Rather than a microphone, I'm just going to yell my words because that's going to make it so you can hear them. I am here to give away some Prusa swag, with a grand prize being, I'm told, not a bag of rice, not a gallon of water, but a Prusa Mark IV 3D printer. And I'm just, for full transparency, I did enter this giveaway, and if I win, I will give away the Mark IV and buy another one to give away. Double down.
But before we do the Mark IV, what do we have? What are we starting with?
I don't know.
We have a
prize pack?
Mona has prepared a prize package for us.
So what do we? Okay, so the first prize. So the first giveaway is this prize pack,
We have a
and
hat.
it is a brand new Prusa Hex hat.
We have a shirt, Prusa shirt. We have a pack of filament.
Okay, a Hex hat, a shirt. What kind of filament?
Prusa Mint, of course. We
It's
got
Prusa
Prusa Mint, Sapphire Blue ASA.
Ooh, Sapphire Blue ASA, and a hoodie. or a jumper from across the pond?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do it.
So, everybody get your tickets out.
Let's see them. Who's got the winner?
Okay. Must be present to win. Ticket number 4, 9, 3, 5, 6, 4, 1.
Who we got? Wait.
Winner,
Is
winner,
it?
winner.
Hey! Verify, verify.
5, 6, 4, 1. You are a winner!
Congratulations! What's your name? Robert. Robert, congrats, buddy. Yep.
Thank you, Robert.
Oh,
So we got a live mic.
I don't know if you want to swap out for a bigger. It's 2X for you? Yeah. Let me get that. There you go. Appreciate it. Yeah.
It's the same.
There we go.
We've got the new Prusa Hex
There we
hat,
go.
a t-shirt, filament, and a hoodie, jumper.
But this time is Veggie Prusa Galaxy Black.
Oh, and it's Pet G Prusa event. Perfect.
My favorite.
The hoodie, is that the hoodie as well?
Is the hoodie with this one too? Yeah?
Yeah, XL or L, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I will. Thank you. And the hoodie.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to draw a ticket.
We're drawing.
Okay.
He's mixing well, guys. This
Mixing
is
well.
fair and legit.
Okay, here we go. Ticket number 4, 9, 3, 5, 5, 6, 8, 493 55 68.
Anybody?
493 5568. Going once.
Going.
493 5568 going twice. 493 5568 is now disqualified.
Gone. Womp, womp, womp.
All right, we draw again. Must be present.
Must be present to win.
Ticket number 4, 9, 3, 5, 6, 8, 8. It's not.
It's not the same number. That's a different number.
493 5688.
No.
493 5.
2 duds in a row, Joel.
5688. 493 5688. Going once. Going twice. All right.
Gone.
Draw again.
Wow. Okay. Well, we started strong.
The winner of this prize pack is ticket number 4, 9, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7.
Yeah! Oh, yeah. All right. Hold on. I got you. What's us?
Large.
Large. Come here. What's your name?
Galia.
Galia, congratulations. There you go. Happy printing.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thanks for coming.
Oh, is this it? The Mark IV is next.
I think the Mark IV. I think it's time for the Mark IV.
IV. This, okay.
We have a hoodie and a Mark IV.
Oh, cool. So the next prize is the final prize, and it is the Mark IV 3D
Sweet in the
printer
sauce. And
with
kiss
a
from
hoodie.
Joe.
So you can wear the hoodie while you print.
All right.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go.
You must wear the hoodie while you print.
I mean,
and nothing else.
wait, where is the Mark IV?
It's
it
here
here?
somewhere. It's here somewhere.
Is it here? It's this one right here. So
Oh, is
once
it
if someone claims it, can they just stop that
Just
print and take it?
Yeah. No,
If you
we
win
don't
the
get
Mark
print.
IV,
Do you get the print? You can have
if
the
you
print.
win the Mark IV, it is that right there. And because you own it at the time of verifying the numbers,
have the
you
box?
can stop the print, you can turn it off. You actually get the spool of filament that's on it.
And we have the box and all the goodies for it.
And there's the box and stuff. But I mean, just take it and run.
Just go.
All right, here we go. This.
More. All right. Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it. Shake it.
like a Polaroid picture. Joel, give me some sugar. I am your neighbor.
Here we go. No shit. All right, here we go. I'm drawing this one right here.
Some
Right
sugar.
here. 4, 9, 3, 5, 5,
Oh,
3, 1. 493.
Yeah! Winner! Get in here.
What's your name? John, verify the ticket, please. 4935531. John, you are a winner.
Congrats, John! John, where are you from?
Maryland.
Maryland. So you don't have far to go with this thing. That's great. So just grab it and go.
Go and stop the bridge.
So,
Yeah.
John, this is your Mark IV over here. You now own this. I am now touching your 3D printer.
It's warm. It's warm. You can. I thought you were gonna tell me you can take the printer
Thanks
or
everybody for coming by the Prusa booth.
double
This is
down.
the way. I hope everybody has a massively good time with the rest of the East Coast Rep Festival. Be well. Be awesome. Print all the things.
high five. Give Joe a high five.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time. For the 3D printing nerd, Joe Telling.
That's a good place to wrap the stream too, guys. If you've tuned in, if you hung with us this long, you're awesome.
I guess so. Hey.
Remember.
Oh wait. Oh yeah. I'll close it out.
Joe's gonna take us.
Thank you, Joel. Don't forget to hug each other more. Fight for a cause you believe in. Print all the things. And as always,
Thank
high
you.
five.
5-way high five. Go.